Right, I'm going to show you how to do the first and second gear mod for a 2000 Suzuki Junior 50. First couple things you want to do, you can see this, mark the lines before you pull this Kickstarter off. You want to pull this bolt to drain all the fluid out. There's quite a few Phillips head bolts, and they're all different lengths, but when you put them back in, they should all be sticking out about the same distance. Remove the side cover. That way your oil tank can come off when you pull the cover. Now I've already pulled this off once. I'm doing this to show you how to remove it. But inside of here, there's going to be this piece. And there's also going to be this piece, which actually fits in together, and that's the bearing for that to spin. The front side of this will actually sit. Let me show you here, and line up on that dot. Here's what the goal is. You see right here is the shifter. You see how there's two notches here and here for the shifter to go into? That's neutral. That's what would actually be considered second, but that's all it lets you have. It has this other notch right here that would actually be first gear, but as you can tell, this is slotted on this end. That one over here is not. What you want to do is take something like a Dremel and slot that out just like the other side, which will allow it to shift all the way over. Now to get this spring off, just grab it with a pair of needle nose, pop it off of there. Then this will be right out of the way. Now that I have that off, you can see how it's only slotted on one side. There's neutral. And there's what's actually second, which is all the bike comes with in the US. Neutral. Alright, something I did show in the video. I removed the kickstand and unhook the brake lever. It just makes it easier to get to this little area right here. But so you don't get any metal shavings in here, since I can't find any actual way to remove this piece, since it looks basically welded on, you're going to want to stuff a rag or something in here. That way you don't get metal shavings inside your engine. Okay guys, so this isn't the prettiest, but what I've done is basically just took a drill bit, started small, and worked my way up until I got to the point I wanted to be at. Now what you'll see is, see if I can do this one-handed, there's the original second gear, there's neutral, and if, let me use my foot, I turn the wheel, I can get it to go up into first gear. So now it has all three gears. Neutral first and second. Alright, here we are. is to focus in. Slid this back on. It's pretty simple. Just put the spring, fit it back over this little push pin right here. Top of the spring, of course over the lip, just like you took it apart. Let me try to show you this. Alright, here's the original gear. That's second. You can see how everything spins pretty quick. Go back into neutral. Now here's the unlocked first gear. This thing is definitely going to be different. See how fast it spins just by slowly rolling it? There's back to second. Neutral. First.